Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veena. In this video, we are going to address why we are stuck while speaking in English. Yes guys, and most of the people is afraid in this. I have seen a lot of people struggling while speaking in English because they are fumbling a lot. They can't able to speak. Why it happened to them? I'm gonna give three important tricks, basic tricks. It will help you to get rid of this problem. Definitely, I'm saying this is very important video. Watch this video by end. Definitely, you will get good information in this video. I'm giving 100% guarantee about in this. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. First step is we are taking a lots of pleasure. Yes guys, when we are speaking in English, our mind is a totally trust. We are feeling lots of trust in that moment. Why we are having trust means because we don't know in English. That's why always the people is thinking, I don't know English, I'm not speaking well. They want to speak good communication, but they're not able to speak. Their mind is blank. They're giving more pleasure and they're thinking before only I can't able to speak. I get nervous when I will speak. I am having fear to speak. They are thinking a lots of stuff like this. That's why they are not able to speak. When you are giving one negative thoughts in your brain means your brain doesn't work in that moment. Really, I'm telling you, never think I can't do it. You will always think I can do everything. Okay, if you think regularly like this, as soon as possible, your brain will decrease to the negative thoughts. It will increasing. You only do this regularly, always thinking negative in your brain. That's why you are not able to speak. Stop thinking negative thoughts. Okay, if you stop means it will come automatically. Second tip is we try to impress to the others. Yes guys, most of the time when we are speaking, we try to impress to others, because we are not focusing which way we are speaking, what conversation is going. The other persons will told us we are the smart enough, like this we are thinking, and that the time we have struck a lot, because the time our mind is always focused to other person, how they are thinking to me. We are focusing that only. We are not focusing which way we are talking. This will destroy your communication. Really, I'm telling. If you are doing this means you are always focusing to others. You are always trying to impress to others means stop doing this. We should not impress to anybody, because this is our life. Which way you have to speak, like this only you have to speak. Be comfortable, be happy, and speak whatever you know it. Don't try to impress to others. How much knowledge you have, you can demonstrate it in front of them. If they will like means okay, if they don't like means okay. Take it easy to everything, balancing for everything. To it is the good, it is the bad. You have to take everything to same. You have to manage it guys. It's good, it's bad. We have to manage it both. Okay, now third tip is of vocabularies. What we are thinking when we are speaking, we have to think, we have to speak complicated vocabularies. We have to use complicated vocabularies. Then only our communication will good. The other peoples will like me. We are always thinking like that. You are talking basic English, advanced English, that doesn't matter to them. Which way you are delivering the information, that is important. How much knowledge you are having, that is important. Why you are always thinking I want to speak like a native speakers? start speaking. We are the beginners. Now you are start speaking. Everything will come automatically. First of all, we are learners. You can remember for that. We are the beginners. We are making mistakes. No problem if you make the mistakes also, no problem. Don't worry about your mistakes. Consistently do your work, hard work. It is very, very important. Every day you have to practice means definitely you will see result as soon as possible. I am telling you can do this, really you can see the result. I hope these 3 tricks will useful for you. If you love this video means please hit the like button, and if you are the beginner in my channel means please subscribe me and supported me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye bye. See you in another video.